Hello friends. So in this video, we will check how to generate random numbers up to n numbers. Suppose numbers up to 100, we need to generate random numbers. Okay. And we need to generate like numbers between 100 to 200. Also, we need to find out the random numbers. Okay. So how we can do that? So first we can check the numbers up to n numbers. So we can declare one variable num, that is 100. Okay, and we need to generate some random numbers. So here we can use an for loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than 10. We can hard code the value, then I plus plus. Here we need to create the random numbers. So in this case, we can declare one more variable random now. So random num is equal to, we can tell the rand function. Okay, so this function we need to use hash include lib.h, std lib.h. Okay, then we can just print out percentage d. We can tell a random number. We can put one slash t also. Okay, then we will run this. Now we are getting some random numbers, right? But we want to generate random numbers up to 100, just like 0 to 100. Okay, so in that case we need to use what we can do here. We can find out the modulus here, modulus of num. So we will run this. We will get numbers in between 0 to 100. Okay, we need to get numbers from 1 to 100, then we can do plus 1 here. Okay, now we will run. You can see the numbers 84, 87, 78, 16. We will again run that also 84, 87, 78. Same numbers are coming, right? So we need to change that. So in that case, we can use the srand function. So, and we need to use the current time also. So in that case, we need to use hash include time.h. Then srand, here we can tell time of, here we can pass null, capital null. Okay, Then we will run this. See, we are getting 45, 38, 80, 33. We'll run again. Then value change, right? 92, 86, 62. Okay. Now we are getting random numbers up to 100. Okay. Now we want to get the numbers between 100 to 200 because minimum number we need 100 and the maximum up to the limit is 200 only. So we need to get random numbers between these here, between these numbers. Okay. So in this case, we can tell minimum. We can remove the capital minimum equal to, we can just tell 100 and maximum we can just tell 200. Okay. So here we need to check the remainder side. We need to check maximum. We need to maximum minus minimum. We need to subtract this and then we need to we can use plus one here. Okay. So we are checking 200 minus 100 plus one. Now we will run. Okay, minimum. We need to change that. We'll run this. See, now also we are getting 65, 76 like that only. Okay. So we need to use maximum minus minimum plus 1. After that, we need to add this value with minimum number. So we need to find out the numbers between these period, these numbers, right? Between these numbers. So here we can type min. Okay. So we'll run this. See, we are getting 158, 130, 103. That is in between 100 and 200, right? Suppose here we are telling like 100 and 400. Then we run this. We are getting random numbers between 100 and 400. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.